name's Leslie, and I lead the Reading Safari and Stream programs for Monterey County Free Libraries. Today we're going to be doing something really fun. We're going to be building a robot out of household objects. So one of the things that we're going to be using is aluminum foil, and we also are going to be using a box and a soda can and some other things that are very easy to find at home. So hang in with me, we're going to build some robots together. Okay, so let's go through our supplies to make our two droids. First of all, to make the mama droid, we've got a big box, which Daphne is holding. We have some foil, tin foil. We've got 2 sets of googly eyes, a giant set, which most people probably don't have laying around their house. And then we've got a baby set, which is another thing people might not have around their house, but you can improvise. We've got all kinds of adhesives here, glue, liquid glue, glue sticks, even clay, which can work as an adhesive. We've got some paint in case we need it, some stick-on stars, and a Dr. Pepper can, which we will use to make the baby droid. So let's get started. We're going to cover our droids. Okay, so we've got our mommy droid all covered in foil, and then we also have our baby covered in foil. And the next step we're going to do is we're going to stick the eyes on the mama droid. The first thing we're going to try is using clay as an adhesive to see if we can do that. So we're going to try that. So Daphne, why don't you try putting the eyes on the mama droid? Good. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I might have to scoot that eye over a little bit. There we go. Good job. Okay. Awesome. Now let's stand mom up and see how she looks. Those eyes gonna stay with that clay? Awesome. Okay, good. Great. Good job, Daphne. Now we are going to stick the eyes on the baby droid. Now this one's going to be a little more challenging. Go ahead, Daphne, because of all the crinklies and the foil. We'll see how this works. Let's see. Let me see the baby. Great job. That's adorable. Okay, so now we're going to get on with making the rest of the face. All right, good job, Daphne. This is Charlie. He's going to put the mouth on mama. And let's see if that stays. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute she is. She is so cute. That's adorable.
Is it on?
Okay, good.
It's not all the way on.
Is it not all the way on?
Yeah, it's on now.
Awesome. All right, we got mama's face. Now we're gonna see what else we can add to her. We're gonna see what else we can add to baby droid. Okay, we've got our clay here to try and make are we making a mouth for the baby? Yeah. We got a mouth for our baby droid, which is so cute.
I want to put the star on.
Are we making a different mouth?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm putting the star on.
Let me see the star.
Let's do it.
We have an adhesive star we're gonna put on too. Oh, I actually think we should put stars all over. What do you guys think?
Do it. Maybe we can add them as the buttons.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna keep working. We got some stars going on. Our mom. Uh-oh.
Oh, jeez.
Uh-oh.
Okay. No, no, no.
Uh-oh, we're gonna have to put that eye back on. That's okay, sometimes accidents happen. Okay, we're gonna figure this out. So while we were putting everything on, our eyes came off. It appears that clay is not the optimal adhesive for us to use. So and after thinking about it, I scrounged up some rubber cement, and we are going to remove the clay from the back of the eyes and then put the rubber cement on. So let's do it. Take off the clay helpers. So let's open this, and then you can put that on the eye. Spread it out a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're spreading out the rubber cement. Daphne, while Charlie's doing that, would you like to put this on your eye?
I am crazy.
Think that you're ready to put that on the droid, or you think it needs a little more?
Yeah, I'd say it's ready.
Okay. Okay, Charlie, you want to give it a shot?
It,
Here we go. Let's turn it so that it's face down. I mean, so that it's back down, so that we have more.
oh my god. Hello.
All right, let's make sure it's centered, that there's room for the other eye. Okay. All right.
Boom.
Good job. Okay, now it's time for our other eye to go on. Daphne, you ready? All right.
Wait.
So we
There.
Okay, cool. Okay, so we need to give that a little bit of time to dry. While we do that, while we're waiting, we're going to work on putting on the antenna. So now, while we're waiting for our eyes to dry, we're gonna put on the antenna, which we are using old wire to make. We're gonna cover it in aluminum foil, and then we are going to glue it on, either with clay or rubber cement or something. We haven't figured that out yet. Okay, are we ready? All right. Go for it, Simon. Go for it, Charlie. Got it, Simon? All right, there's our antenna. Now we just got to glue it. In our ever-growing need for different adhesives, we have procured a roll of duct tape to attach the antennas to the robots. Let's do this. Got our duct tape. Put it on our droid robot. Kind of looks like a rabbit now. Oh yeah, I like that. That's cute. That's very cute. Okay, time to do Mama Droid. Simon, do you want to help with Mama Droid? We got Tyson here working on the antenna. We're gonna just look like a proper robot.
Not even.
That's okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. You ready, Simon? Okay, so it's a little. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. What do you think?
I would just need the mouth.
He just needs a mouth. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks really cute. Let me see these guys. Mama and baby. We've got both of our droids built. We've got Mama. We've got baby. Remember we had a little snafu here with the eyeballs, and we had to figure out a better way to attach them, and that is what science is about. If something doesn't work, you try something else. If you don't have googly eyes at home, you can use a piece of paper to make your own eyes. If you don't have, foil, you can use, you could use like a shopping bag, a paper shopping bag or something like that. The important thing is to be creative and to just think outside the box for different ways to build these robots. Now, this isn't actually going to do the dishes for me, but they are very, very cute. And I hope that you will make some very, very cute robots as well. If you do, please post them to your Instagram or your social media and tag us, because we'd love to see what you create. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your week.